Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gabay leash with an easy method. This innovative leash provides a gentle yet effective way to guide your dog, making walks more enjoyable for both of you. It's designed to offer subtle cues, encouraging your dog to walk politely by your side without pulling. We'll cover the simple steps to properly fit and utilize this tool, ensuring a comfortable and positive experience for your furry companion. You'll see how quickly your dog can adapt to this gentle guidance. Proper fitting is crucial for the Gabay leash's effectiveness and your dog's comfort. First, create a large loop and gently place it over your dog's head, ensuring the sliding ring is under their chin. The main part of the loop should sit high on the neck, just behind the ears, where it provides the most gentle control. Adjust the stopper to secure the loop, leaving enough room for 2 fingers to fit comfortably. This ensures the leash stays in place without causing any pressure. Once fitted, holding the leash correctly is key. Hold the leash with a relaxed but firm grip, allowing for a slight slack when your dog is walking nicely. When your dog starts to pull, apply gentle, consistent pressure to the side, guiding them back towards you. Avoid harsh jerking motions. The Gabay leash works best with subtle cues. As soon as your dog responds and walks by your side, immediately release the pressure and offer praise. Consistency is vital for success. To maximize your success, avoid a few common pitfalls. Firstly, never use the Gabay leash as a punishment tool. It's for guidance. Secondly, ensure the leash isn't too loose, as this diminishes its effectiveness and can allow your dog to slip out. Begin practicing in a quiet, distraction-free environment for about 5 to 10 minutes at a time. Gradually introduce more stimulating locations as your dog becomes more comfortable. Remember, patience and consistent positive reinforcement are your best friends in this training journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.